In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom text animation in Wix. This is an exciting and creative way to add more life and movement to your website design, helping to engage your site visitors more effectively. First, let's start by getting some text onto your page. Head over to your Wix editor, and within the left-hand menu, you'll see an option labeled Add. Click on that and look for text. Once you find it, click on it and you'll see a variety of text options to choose from. Depending on your theme and design preferences, you might want to use a title, paragraph, or any other style of text that fits well with your site. Once you've chosen your text type, drag and drop it onto your desired location on the page. Feel free to resize or reposition this text box until it looks exactly right for your purpose. Now that you have your text on the page, the next step is to add some animation to it. Animations can significantly influence how engaging and dynamic your web page appears. So this is a crucial part of the process. Click on your text box, and you should notice a small box or button that says Animation, or shows its icon. This feature will open up the animation panel, displaying several animation styles that you can apply to your text. As you hover over each animation option, you should see a preview of how it looks when applied to your text. This preview feature is fantastic as it allows you to experiment with different styles without making any permanent changes, letting you find the perfect animation that matches both your aesthetic and functional needs. From slide-ins to fades, bounces, or even spinning effects, there's a wide array of styles to experiment with, so take your time exploring which one suits your design best. Once you've settled on an animation that you love, make sure to apply it by clicking on your chosen option. Additionally, you might want to fine-tune how the animation is executed by adjusting the timing and speed. These small adjustments can dramatically alter the effect of the animation, enhancing its impact or subtlety based on what you are aiming to achieve with your text. And there you have it. A beautifully animated text element that should now be a part of your Wix site, ready to captivate your site visitors. Remember that animation, while eye-catching, should complement the overall design and message of your website. So use it wisely to improve site engagement and aesthetics. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helped you easily add and animate text on your Wix website. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on enhancing your web design.